In the summer of 2025, astronomers noticed something strange. A faint object gliding through space, moving in a way that didn't quite fit the patterns of our solar system. They called it 3I Atlas, the third interstellar object ever discovered. And like its predecessors, Oumuamua and Borisov, it came from far beyond our sun, traveling at over 60 kilometers per second. But what really made 3I Atlas stand out wasn't where it came from. It was what it's made of, and the bizarre behavior it showed as it approached our solar system. The discovery came from the Atlas telescope system in Hawaii, the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System. On July 18, 2025, astronomers spotted a dim, fast-moving object on their nightly scans. At first, it looked like a typical comet, but the more data they gathered, the stranger it became. Its trajectory didn't loop around the sun like a normal comet. It was open, hyperbolic. That meant one thing. 3I Atlas wasn't from our solar system at all. It had drifted in from interstellar space, another wanderer, like a cosmic message from beyond. Once scientists confirmed its orbit, the data became even more fascinating. 3I Atlas is traveling at nearly 62 kilometers per second relative to the sun. That's fast enough to completely escape the sun's gravity. No orbit, no return. It came from the direction of the constellation Serpens, and after its brief encounter with our solar system, it will head back out toward the stars, never to return. In cosmic terms, we're witnessing a flyby lasting just months for an object that's traveled light years to get here. What's inside 3I Atlas turned out to be even stranger than its orbit. Most comets vent water vapor as they warm near the sun. But this one, it was mostly carbon dioxide, releasing 8 times more CO2 than water. Even more bizarre, it began venting gas long before it got close to the sun. That means it's made of materials that sublimate at extremely low temperatures, stuff that can't survive inside most solar systems. In other words, 3I Atlas may have formed in the freezing outskirts of another star's planetary disk, or even deeper in interstellar space itself. So, how does something like this end up drifting into our cosmic neighborhood? The leading theory. Long ago, in a young star system far away, 3I Atlas was a leftover fragment of a forming planet or icy body. A gravitational slingshot, maybe from a giant planet or a nearby star, flung it into deep space. For millions, maybe billions of years, it wandered between the stars until fate brought it close enough to our sun to catch our attention. For a brief cosmic heartbeat, it passes through our skies, and then it's gone. Whenever an interstellar object appears, speculation always follows. Some scientists wonder, could 3I Atlas be a piece of artificial debris? Maybe a shard of an ancient probe, or a fragment of alien technology drifting through time and space. It's unlikely, but not impossible. Astrophysicist Avi Loeb, known for his work on Oumuamua, has suggested that some interstellar visitors could be technological relics. But the evidence for 3I/ATLAS still fits natural explanations. A frozen, carbon-rich body from a distant planetary nursery. Still, it's hard not to wonder. 3I Atlas reminds us how connected the universe truly is. Our solar system isn't an island. It's part of a vast, dynamic galaxy where material constantly drifts between stars. Every interstellar object we discover teaches us more about how other solar systems form, evolve, and die. The chemistry of 3I Atlas, its abundance of carbon dioxide and lack of water, gives clues about the building blocks of planets beyond our own. It's like holding a sample from another world without ever leaving home. As we speak, 3I Atlas is already on its way out, fading into the distance, sunlight reflecting off its icy surface one last time. In a few months, it'll be too faint for even our best telescopes to track. But its story will linger, because each time something like this passes through our cosmic neighborhood, it reminds us of one truth. The universe is vast, alive, and full of travelers we've only just begun to notice. I break down the full mystery, from discovery to theories, in my longer video linked below. Thanks for watching, and keep looking up.